Hey, what's up guys? If you like DIY lawn care, and if you like mowing, and if you enjoy coastal living, then this is the channel for you. Hey guys, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell for notifications for the next time that I post a video for you. And go ahead and check out my Teespring store for some awesome Don's Lawns merch. Make sure you visit CoolieNation.com and use code DonsLawns10 for a 10% discount off of your next custom koozie order. What is up, everybody? Hey, so we're back in the back lawn for another episode of Don's Lawns. So today we're going to dig up a spot. I found something under the ground. Seems to be pretty hard, which is probably why the grass pretty much dies in that spot every year. And every year I struggle to get it back up. Remember, my house is going on its third year now. It was brand new construction, and I was pretty positive that they had cleared everything out pretty well, but there's something about 3 to 5 inches beneath the surface, and every year causes that spot of grass to dry out, pretty much die. Alan Hain got me thinking about this in one of his podcasts, which I'll link up in the description, an ID card. Got me thinking about this when he was talking about new construction and trouble spots in the lawn. Alright guys, I just finished digging up all that concrete. Ended up being like 2 or 3 pretty good sized pieces. A couple of smaller pieces and some that I was able to break up. But now that I'm all done doing that, I'm going to pretty much forever have a low spot now in that section. So I'm gonna go get some dirt from the store and maybe a couple pieces of sod and try to somewhat fix that patch. Let's try. Just got back from my trip to go get some dirt. However, nobody had any St. Augustine sod. I went to 3 different stores, Home Depot, Lowe's, and my local Gill's Landscaping Nursery. Nobody had any St. Augustine sod. So looks like I'm gonna have a dirt spot for a little while. But this dirt that I got, I thought it was gonna be a little better than this. It's got a lot of sticks, a lot of mulch in it. So I'm kind of disappointed, but gotta work with what you got. Guys, we are all done performing a little surgery. We removed a big old chunk of concrete from here. Had to fill it back in with some dirt from the store. Like I said earlier, there was no St. Augustine sod at any of my major stores that I typically go to. So we're gonna have to just give it time and maybe fill it in another day with some new sod. I need to let it settle anyways. I'll probably have to add some more dirt and sand onto this spot as it goes anyways. Give us some time to level and we'll see how the grass takes over. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, tap that like button, hit the subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications for the next time that I post a video for you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.